So I got into college, my classes start tomorrow, and I have big 3 years of exploring to do. And let's be honest, this is 2021, and in this decade or even the last one, college life didn't remain only about college life. Like, there is a hell lot of extra things to do, and if you know me very well, I am not a big fan of traditional education, so I will be breaking the line. So in this video, I'll be talking about my goals, which are mainly money making, learning and growth related goals which I have for this first year in college. Hopefully you'll find some inspiration too. I'm doing this course of Bachelor's in Business Administration from this college in India, which claims to give me a specialization in digital marketing. Now yeah, that seemed like the most suitable option for me, that's why I chose it. And definitely me myself, having 2+ years of experience in this entire digital marketing space, I don't have anything much to learn from these guys who are just learned men but don't have a real successful business or numbers to back them up. In any case, when it comes to learning, I'll always choose those people on the internet who have real businesses and have got real success and have got real numbers to back everything up. When learning from the internet, you have to beware of many of these scammers and fraudsters out there who are just there to take your money and who are actually pretty good at lying and convincing. I fell in that once. So with that being said, let's waste no more time. I have mainly 9 goals for this entire year. I'll walk you through every one of those and explain to you what it actually means in my life and what it can possibly mean in yours too. Especially if you're like me, obsessed about money, marketing and business all the time. So what you can see over here on the screen is my Notion dashboard, and I use Notion for many things, mainly for maintaining my content calendar and scripting and like maintaining the entire YouTube workflow mainly. And this is the page for my plan for the first year in college. I have roughly outlined what I'm going to say in this video. I have mainly 9 of these goals. So the first one that comes in the list is Google Ads. This is my goal of learning more about it and selling on Fiverr. The reason why I love Fiverr is because you don't have to do any work. They will do all the marketing, all the stuff, and you will get clients basically for free, except of that 20% cut they take on your sales. But that's absolutely okay. Nothing upfront and only when I get a sale. So I love Fiverr. I actually have a lot of experience with Google Ads myself also. I ran my first Google Ads when I was 14 years old, if I am not wrong, but mainly started running it at 15 years age in 2019. Now it's 2021, I'm 17 now. So I have some good experience with it, and also running it for my e-commerce stores, which I used to run like a year ago. I left in October, so it's almost a year now. I quit my dropshipping business. I'll talk about that in another video one day. If you also want to learn Google Ads, the #1 free source I will firstly recommend is Google Skillshop. Google themselves are out there to teach you everything about Google Ads. But one thing you should know before learning anything for Skillshop, they will only teach you theories and what's there in Google Ads and what's about the algorithm. They will not teach you any strategies. So you'll have to go out there in the market and practice and make your own strategies. They will not tell you what to do and how to do. So moving on to my second goal, I plan to launch my own SMMA, which means social media marketing agency. But I won't really offer social media marketing at first. I will be offering same Google Ads in this as well. This will be more tailored and niche down to a particular type of business and a particular type of services, which you can see over here, selling lead generation to US local businesses. Now you might be wondering that why on earth a lead generation business? There are already so many of them, then why join the crowd? This is not some random lead generation business which scrapes emails out of Google or their phone numbers out of Google and submits it to people. No, it's not like that. I will be using Google Ads to generate phone calls for these local businesses from highly qualified leads who are actually actively looking for these types of businesses. So that's mainly the plan: start my freelance business and then expand to multiple other team members as well. And if possible later, I would like to transform my agency into a social media marketing agency, the one which does Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, like all types of ads, the ads agency. But yeah, let's hope so. But first I have to get started for that, and I have a little bit of learning to do, so hopefully soon. #3 is YouTube. You are watching this on YouTube, so YouTube. As you might have got an idea from all of these, I'm not going to do these things on the side with college. Instead, I'm going to do college on the side with all these things. So this has been my big goal of posting more and more on YouTube, and now recently I have started posting YouTube shorts as well, although they haven't been getting as good responses, but I am optimistic and I am willing to have my patience, and I want to really post 2 long videos per week, because shorts are like short videos. I want to post 2 long videos per week just like this one, which will provide immense value to you guys as well, and hopefully that will help me to escalate this channel to a different level. Maybe 10k subs, maybe 100k subs, you never know. The biggest problem why I'm not posting twice a week at this moment is video editing. Video editing is something which takes a lot of time, and I'm doing everything myself, and I am not earning a lot of money every month consistently that I will like outsource it to somebody else, hire a freelancer. So I'm not at that position yet. So let's just hope. And in fact, I've already posted 2 videos the last week and the while before that as well. So hopefully I'll be able to continue this and maybe take it up to 3 videos a week, you never know. Number 4 is Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me right now. This is my Instagram handle. If you have been following me, you have already seen my reels. I make some really awesome reels, as I think, and also I have received quite a good amount of feedback from some people saying that my content is valuable. So let's just hope that one of my reels absolutely go viral and I gain thousands of followers. It's a dream, but I'm working on it. Number 5, crypto. I'm really interested and passionate about cryptocurrencies, and I have already started investing in those, and I have already 2 videos made on this channel. In fact, last week only I posted a video on the Ethereum London hard fork, like the crypto entire thing. My goal with this in this year is to stay updated with the latest news possibles. As you can see, like whenever I get to hear some news, it is not exactly latest. I'm already a day or 2 late, so that's not a good thing. If you want to make money in the crypto space and like profit in the short term, ultra short term, you'll have to keep your you'll have to keep yourself updated with these latest news, and also to learn about it as a whole, crypto and blockchain. If you don't know anything about this, if you don't know the fundamentals, it is going to be a real tough struggle for you. So the 6th goal is read more books. I can't stress this enough in life. This is something I have to do a lot more. I'm an extremely slow reader, so I have to pick my pace up too. For every single book I read, like the last book I'll show you, the last book I read was this book, and I took like 3 months to read this. Influence, one of the best selling books of all time on psychology. I took 3 months to read this, and the other books like 2 months, 2.5 months, 3 months. That's my average time of reading every book. So I have to improve this. And in fact, I'll show you what are the books that I read. In reverse order, I am reading this currently, and also I'm reading an ebook of Google Ads at this moment. So Google Ads is a part of my life actually now. So last book I read was this one, and this one also, just a minute, Atomic Habits. This was a very, very effective books in my life. If you're procrastinating and lazy about everything, you should read this book. This will change your life. Don't be lazy, read this book. And this one, look at here I keep my books, and also this was the book I read before that. This is on the wait. Oh my shit. So this is the book on the wait list. This is something which I am looking up to. I think that this will be a very good book to read. This was the book, an amazing book, Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. I love this guy. Check it out. And also another collection of books I have read. Not all of them actually. This one I haven't read, How to Get Rich by Felix Dennis, and also Jab 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 by Gary Vaynerchuk. I haven't completed this one, and many of them. India 2020, I haven't read this. $100 Startup, this one, like many of them. But the ones that I've read, this one, amazing book, 4 Hour Work Week, Jordan Belfort's Way of Those, I love it. .com Secrets. There are some amazing books that I've read. I won't be spending time convincing you to read, but if you read, you'll understand. I hate reading, but I am still reading so many books. That's because of the content. These are so valuable. These are literally life-changing books. Read these guys. If not these, something else, whatever you want. Life-changing books, motivational books, self-help books, money-making books, marketing books, whatever. Read books. They are like literally decades of experience of the authors put into a hardbound copy of this, like in 200, 300 pages, for which retails for like how much? $20? In India, 1,000 rupees. That's it. It's a steal. It's a lottery. So the 7th goal is to learn funnel building. Here you can see funnel building. If you don't know, you can check it out on Google what funnels are, what sales funnels are. Sales funnels is something which is in demand right now, but this is just the beginning. We are getting into it. Sales funnels will be a hell lot more in demand in the upcoming years. Just use ClickFunnels or any other funnel builder and learn to make awesome funnels. That's all. The main parts of the funnel is the landing pages, and to add to that, you also have emails, autoresponsers, and the marketing strategy as a whole. But whatever, Funnels is something very overrated, and people literally pay $2,000, $3,000 or even more than that for one single funnel. The eighth goal is spend $300 in Google Ads coupons by 2021 on any business model and YouTube growth. Now this is something interesting. $300 is a lot of money. I wouldn't just spend it just like that if I weren't expecting any immediate return. So this is very interesting. What happened was in this year, April 2021, this amazing thing happened because I have a history of running ads on Google. That's why Google sent me these two, not one, but two coupons. Like, I don't know why. They send me these two coupon codes, and now I have literally $100 of codes. Like, each of the codes were $100 worth, so I have $200 in Google Ads coupons. And why I've written $300 over here? Because the condition is that you have to first spend $50 on each ad account, and only then you will be able to use that $100. So $50, $100, that would be my money. My investment would be $100, but in total the ad spend will be $300. So that's a huge advantage, $200 of free money. I am going to try my best to make the best out of this. I'm really excited about this. But yeah, there is one limitation, one restriction to this. I'll have to do this in 2021. I cannot take this into 2022. It was actually written in the email that Google sent me. I'll have to do this within 2021. Number 9 and last goal is to try out affiliate marketing. And I think this should have been number 7 ahead of funnel building, but that's okay. Actually, it is affiliate marketing I wanted to spend the $300 on. I still want to do it. And that's because I have quite some experience in the e-commerce space, and affiliate marketing is basically e-commerce, just that you don't handle any of the product part. So that's something I can do. And YouTube growth is actually a last option kind of thing. I want to spend this $300 on affiliate marketing, and if not possible, then on YouTube growth. On this, I may like invest some money and push the growth of one of these videos. You may see many thousand views on one of these videos. You never know. I really don't know what I'm doing, and I think it's okay. I'm just 17. I'm just a kid. Let's try out. Let's test a lot of things. Let's see what works out. I think that's the game. So these were the 9 goals that I aim to do and complete within this first year of college. Let's see, I'll have to do college on the side, with these being the main focus. And yes, I would love to know what you want to do in college. If you are already in college, then tell me what you have been doing. What's your plan? What you want to achieve before you actually pass out of college. I would love to know that. Please comment and tell me. I will reply to you. So that's mainly it. I have 9 goals to complete, and the deadline is the next 1 year. And to be honest, I am kind of aiming to complete all of this within this year only. Like, how many months are left in 2021? 4 months. This is August. 3.5 months basically. So I have a lot of time actually, and hopefully I'll be able to achieve all of this. I don't know. Let's see. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, because every single week I bring out at least one video that has to do with make money online, business, marketing, and that kind of stuff.